Here we have a basic robot which was probably modern around the 80s when they started selling, when Windows I think 98 was new. That's why I haven't tried. We haven't been able to start it because the software that comes with it is probably Windows 98. We could do something on Windows XP, but limited. Basically the point is to connect it with this USB cable and have some sort of a program which is it's using atmel control microcontroller board with CPU. I think atmel, hang on, let me read. 16, just a moment. I think 16AU. It's got 4 digital, 4 analog, or actually all 8 are analog connections. Let me check. No, 4 digital and 4 analog actually. So it could be newer than Windows 98. It could be Windows XP. This sticker is nothing to do with it. I just put it there. I had an accident here, so I had to use glue to repair it. Now it's fine. So the problem is just finding the relevant Windows version, which could be something between Windows 98 and Windows 2000. The robot comes from Coolfix, company in Germany. It's got 2 motors. It should have I should have purchased a rechargeable battery for it. That's the reason. Once you connect it with USB to the computer, it still needs its own supply. It's not capable of withdrawing supply from the computer through the USB, and it doesn't recognize it on communication port 1, which is in modern terms USB 1 communication port, which is the first USB on the left hand side of your laptop, or the communication port 1 on the desktop, which is probably in the back somewhere. Could be the one that is underneath the DVD player. So this is the control board. That's where the engines are connected. The engines, the motors, which, so it needs a supply. Have to purchase a supply to run it. Basically, if you press You see, there is a response. There is a response when you connect it to a computer. There is a response. There is a response from it. So basically, this could be USB 1. So once you connect it to the computer, see it. So the ideal would be to have that program under Windows. Which one? Probably Windows 98 to Windows 2000. Upload the program, and once you upload it, it starts. You can run it. Uses C++, so you know how you compile a program under C++, upload it to the device. This button, by pressing this button, you clear everything that's been uploaded to the microcontroller. So basically, this is the computer of the robot. There is nothing fancy in these older robots. These motors are basically just mechanical parts. You don't expect to find any chips in there, no. But we have a sophisticated part here, which is a sensor, which is probably a sensor when it comes to an obstacle to change direction or to stop. This sensor is looks like this. See, it's funny, and in looking through the camera, it gives a bright light, but just looking at it without the camera, it's just a blue dot. But now with the camera, it's a bright light. It's connected to the computer, so it could be something to do with that. It has some sort of emitting some kind of laser beam, which can only be seen through the camera. So that's the basic Atmel board, which are very popular boards, microcontroller boards. So now it's connected to a little computer. I'm gonna disconnect it now, and basically, without being able to use the software for it, this is called WEBOTS robot. So disregard this sticker again. It comes from QFix. Read here, QFix, German company which sells these all the things and probably has some new ones now. They have a very nice website. It's qfix.de, Deutsch. Und was kann ich sagen mehr?